Hello everybody, this is Monday, October the 30th. It's Halloween Eve. Of course, I'm at work. I don't have my selfie stick. I've got you propped up on a Kleenex box and a Lysol can. How is that for original? I was gonna wait till I got home to do this, but I got a Stitch Fix. Look how big this box is. I have never gotten a box this big from Stitch Fix, so I'm very curious to what is in here. So let's check it out. I have a really bad headache today. I don't know if it's the weather or what it is, but well, it's only got one bundle. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, it's heavy. Wow, this must be a lot of thick, heavy stuff in here. Let's get these papers out. Wow. Okay, what do we have here? This is my 83rd Stitch Fix, and it is by Alyssa, is a stylist. Whoa, in this box, $340. Wow, that's expensive. You take the 25% discount off, you minus 85, so the whole box is $255. And it looks like the most expensive thing in here, there's two things for $75. There's one for $68. One for $64 and one for $58. $58 is the cheapest thing in this box. Must be a heck of a box. All right, let's see what it is. Okay, first thing, feels soft. Threads for Thought, Nyla Heather Fleece half zip top in light purple. Ooh, $75. Well, it's a half zip athletic top. I do not like that tie on the bottom, I'll tell you that. It's very soft, but it does not feel warm. It feels thin. There's no fleece inside of it. It just feels really thin. So that is the first thing. I'm just gonna set it here on the counter. Okay. Next thing. MPG Sport Helix hoodie in black. That is $58. So this is the cheapest thing in the box. It's a black hoodie. There's nothing exciting about it. It's not very, I can't even hold on to it. It's not very thick. It's thin. Yeah, it's just a black hoodie. That's pretty expensive for just a plain old black hoodie. Never even heard of the brand. So at least if I had a hoodie for $58, I could get a Nike hoodie. Okay, next up. And I'm gonna see about trying these on for you guys when I get home, now that I have a selfie stick. So let's, I can't even find the tag. Threads for Thought, Kayana Feather Fleece half zip hoodie in copper. $75. So there's two things in here that are $75, and this is the same brand. I don't think it's big enough for me. I like my stuff loose, so I think that would be too small. Same exact kind of hoodie as the other one. It feels the same. It's the same weight. It does not feel like it would be very warm to me. Wow, this must be hoodie box. Okay, let's see. I guess they're all packed in there. MPG Sport again. Serene Relaxed Hoodie. This is $68. This is not gonna fit me. I can tell you right now, it's too short. I don't like it. It has some buttons. I don't know if you can see the buttons. Same material, it's got a hood on the back. Yeah, it must think I like black or something. I don't like this. I'll tell you that right now. Okay, next one is Mark & Spruce Lisa Quilted Half Zip Pullover in gray, and that is $64. So this, I do like this. This is the second cheapest one in the box. It feels a little heavier. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Again, I guess I could send it back and get something that fits. It doesn't look wide enough for me. Like I said, I like things that are loose. There's no fleece to any of these tops. They're not, this one doesn't seem to be much warmer either, but I do like the quilted. At least it has something to it. Those other ones are kind of plain. Yeah, kind of an unexciting box here. Very expensive box, I will say that. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in. Last time I got a lot of black stuff too. I don't know why I'm getting all this black stuff. So, yeah, I'm not really thrilled with this box. It's all right, but I guess I'd rather have hoodies than sweaters. I do not like sweaters at all. At least this one is a, whoops. At least this one is a color, but it's just really, really thin. I guess I'm big on being warm because it is really cold out today. It's like 30 something today, and it's windy, and it's just kind of miserable outside. I definitely would not buy this whole box, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it's all right. I don't mind it. Not much you could do in the wintertime. I do know that a lot of their sweaters and sweatshirts seem to have wide necks on them, and I do not like wide necks. So at least these don't have that problem. But yeah, it's awful cold out, and you know my bathroom doesn't have a heat vent. So I will try my hardest to show you what these look like. I think in the past I've opened the bathroom door and stepped back a little further so you could kind of see what I'm wearing. If it's not too terrible cold, I'll do that. I'll try and do that again. But it's awful cold in my house, so we'll see how it works. So thanks for watching, guys. I have 15 minutes of my lunch hour left, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so I'm still wearing my Fenty foundation. I still think it looks pretty good. It's not quite as shine free as yesterday. I do have a different primer on. I used the Smashbox primer for, I don't know if it's hydrating. I had a little sample of that, so I used that on today. So that might have made a difference. But yeah, my hair's still crappy. I still don't like my hair. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about today. So thanks for watching my unboxing of my Stitch Fix, and tonight I will give it a try and try something on. You know how I always say I'm going to allow myself one thing out of each box? I don't have a problem with this box. I don't really have a problem with not getting anything out of this box. It's not thrilling to me, so, but we will see. I will catch you guys later. See ya. Okay guys, as I promised, I'm gonna try these on for you. I can't really get any lower than that. This selfie stick does not go high up as I thought it does. I got a cat back here, so this is the, what's it called? I don't have my paper on me. Well, you saw in the first video. So this top has a tie down here, and I do not like that tie. Let me see if I can put this, I don't know. I'm trying to put this some places so I can, no, that's not any better. Well, there's not much I can do in here trying to show you these tops. You get the point. You can see me a little bit. I'll try to stand on my tiptoes. It's too short for me, and I don't like this tie right here. No, there goes the cat. It's been a heck of a cat day, let me tell you. And I don't like how my boobs are just like right there. I do not like that. I do not like this top at all. Let's go try another one. Okay guys, this is the same brand as that last one. It's called Threads for Thought. No, 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 way too tight. I do not like tops this tight. And this is how I would usually wear a hoodie, with a long sleeve shirt and then like a t-shirt underneath. No, too tight. Now if this was bigger, maybe, but not for this price. I think this one was $58 and I think the last one was $58. No, not for this price. So let me try another one. Okay, this one is MPG Sport, and I had a horrible time trying to get it on anyway. This is the one that has the buttons on it, and it is way too short. Way too short on me, and it fits like it's really tiny, and I wouldn't even get it in a bigger size. I do not like this one. I knew I wouldn't like it. So much for this. It's soft, but you know what? Just because these things are soft doesn't mean that you're gonna get them. A lot of their clothes are soft. So, all right, 3 down. Okay, this is also an MPG Sport. Now, I do like this one. It's gonna have to be a bigger size, of course. I don't know, it fits weird though. Look at the arms, woo. But yet it's too tight for me. It's really soft, but I don't know if I wanna pay, let's see how much this is. Well, it's either 58 or 68, and I don't think I want to pay. I don't know. It's just, it's a plain hoodie. To me, I'm sorry, it's just me. I don't really think it's worth $58 or $68. I like it, but I don't like it that much. So I'm going to pass on this too. I got one more left.
What do you say? Go ahead, strength again.
Okay, this is Market and Spruce. It fits better, but I think I don't know if this is one of those tops that's like, do I get a large? Or what? I think I would get a large. In fact, I told them at one point, any hoodies or types of stuff like this, get me a large. These are all mediums. And this one is $64. I don't like this enough to pay $64. I mean, I like it, but I don't want to spend that kind of money on this. It's not that wow, you know? Maybe if it was a color. I don't know. Do they think I like grays and blacks for some reason? I don't know. But all of this is going back. I'm sorry to say. So, yeah. Not just a winner, so nothing for me this time. So I'll schedule another one here and we'll see if that'll be any better. But thanks for watching, you guys. It's not a great try-on video, but at least I tried it on, kinda, so you could mostly see it. I got my work pants still on, but yeah, no, not for me. See you guys later.